Wombat whispers, tales of Earth's ingenious engineer. Exploring the unique world and cultural heritage of the wombat.
By AI for Kids. Embark on a journey into the heart of the Australian wilderness, where the humble wombat, with its unassuming charm, plays a vital role in the ecological landscape. Through these storyboards, witness the delicate balance of nature, ingenuity, and cultural ties that highlight the wombat's legacy and enduring spirit. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Wombat, nature's ingenious engineer.
Deep in the heart of the Australian wilderness, a sturdy creature quietly shapes its world. The wombat, with its strong limbs and relentless spirit, carves intricate burrow systems that aerate the soil, fostering rich plant life. This nocturnal marsupial, though solitary, leaves an indelible mark on its ecosystem, proving that even quiet engineers can have profound impacts.
Amidst the twilight, the wombat diligently digs, its sharp claws chiseling through the earth. Each tunnel tells a story of perseverance and a delicate balance of the ecosystem that thrives in its wake. As I burrow deeper, I feel the cool embrace of the earth, my shelter, my masterpiece.
Cube-shaped curiosities.
In a curious corner of biology, the wombat stands out with its cube-shaped scat. These peculiar droppings play an essential role in territory marking. Due to their unique shape, not only do they stay firmly in place on uneven terrain, but they also serve as a sturdy boundary line in the wombat's nocturnal world.
Behold the wondrous design of nature, cube-shaped marble scattered thoughtfully across the landscape, steadfast and unmoving. It's odd, isn't it? Yet these quirky cube deposits are my badges of presence, a signature of my domain.
A herbivore's feast.
Dining exclusively on the leafy offerings of the bush, the wombat finds richness in simplicity. Its diet of grasses, roots, and bark not only sustains its robust physique but also exemplifies a harmonious existence with the flora around it. The wombat, in its serene feeding, demonstrates a delicate balance between nourishment and nature.
In the silence of the wild, the wombat feasts, each bite a testament to nature's bounty provided to the humble herbivores. Every meal is a gift. As I nibble, I taste the essence of my home in every leaf and root.
The nocturnal artisan.
Under the cloak of night, the wombat truly shines. A creature of habit and solitude, it patrols its territory with the precision of a seasoned artisan. Navigating the labyrinth of its creation, the wombat exemplifies the elegances of instinctual design, turning its underground world into an intricate masterpiece of survival.
Nightfall brings forth the wombat's world, where shadows dance on dirt walls, and each path is mapped by unerring instinct. In the stillness, I find freedom. Tonight, I paint with earth and shadow, crafting my hidden lair.
The guardian of future generations.
In the quiet sanctuaries of the wombat's tunnels, new life emerges. Breeding just once a year, the wombat ensures the survival of its lineage with careful nurturing. The young joey, born after a short gestation, finds refuge in its mother's pouch before stepping into the world, a gentle reminder of life's persistent renewal.
Cradled in the warm pouch, a new generation of wombat begins its journey, nurtured by the rhythms of nature and maternal care. Such tender beginnings carry the weight of our future. I hold a universe within, the spark of tomorrow's wombat legacy.
Ecosystem benefactors.
Beyond their solitary lifestyles, wombats contribute silently yet significantly to their habitats. By aerating the soil through their burrowing, they inadvertently cultivate the environment, enabling a flourishing of flora that supports various wildlife species. As ecosystem engineers, these understated mammals remind us of the interconnectedness of life.
In the tapestry of nature, the wombat's actions weave unseen threads, knitting together ecosystems with quiet diligence. Digging deeper, I feel the pulse of the earth, each tunnel a whisper, a promise of growth and harmony.
Songs of survival.
In a world threatened by human encroachment, disease, and climate change, the wombat exemplifies resilience. While labeled least concern, these creatures confront real threats including vehicular dangers and habitat disruption. In their steadfast presence, wombats serve as both a rallying cry for conservation and a testament to the steadfast beauty of the natural world.
The wombat traverses its landscape, embodying timeless battles and victories in the dance of existence, quiet yet formidable, vulnerable yet enduring. I walk a path forged by ancestors. Though the winds of change blow harshly, I remain guarded and enduring.
Cultural legends of the land.
Embedded in the rich tapestry of Aboriginal mythology, the wombat stands as a powerful symbol of ingenuity and resilience. In Dreamtime stories, it embodies qualities revered by Indigenous Australians, illuminating the harmonious bond between human cultures and the natural world, a relationship built on respect and admiration.
Through the ages, the wombat walks alongside ancient storytellers, its image cast in tales of wisdom and connection, whispering secrets of the dream time. I am more than fur and earth, I am story, a link to timeless wisdom and cultural reverence.